position and allow your eyes to blink closed. We'll begin today by taking 3 big cleansing breaths. Let's take a nice big inhale through the nose. Side out. Inhale through the nose. One more big inhale. Now bring all your awareness to the crown of your head, allowing all the muscles of the crown of your head to relax. And now, like a warm liquid, allow this relaxation to flow downwards into your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw, completely relaxed, allowing all the muscles of your face and your head to relax. And allow this feeling of relaxation to flow downwards into your shoulders. Feel your shoulders melting down, flowing downwards through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Feeling both arms completely relaxed. Feel your chest relax, your belly, your hips, and allow this feeling of relaxation to flow down through your legs, to your knees, down to your ankles, all the way to the tips of your toes, feeling both legs completely relaxed. From the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, feeling your whole body completely relaxed. Take a big inhale. Let it out with a sigh. Big inhale. Now let it all go.